People detection for excavators is a 270-degree intelligent vision camera system that alerts operators when someone enters the hazard zone. You can order and install the kit yourself. So let's go through those steps. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and to always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Installation steps vary based on your equipment's features. We're working on a Cat 335 hydraulic excavator with working light and counterweight. Make sure you follow the steps for your specific machine's configurations. First up, remove the fuse panel cover and discard the 15-amp fuse. Install the new 5-amp fuse in the same location, and then replace the panel. Next, you'll move to the access door to the left of the fuse panel. Refer to your specific instructions to connect the new wire assembly to the back of the fuse panel. You'll be installing 3 cameras, one each on the right, left, and rear of the equipment. First, secure the camera between the 2 plates using the washers and screws. Install the bracket, install the grommet, and then put together the other 2 camera groups. We'll start with the right side camera. Attach the plate and bracket to the assembled camera group. Install the plate and secure the camera group harness. Then, route the camera group harness along with the lighting harness and secure them. Now, install the rear camera group on the block, routing and securing harnesses as needed. And do the same for the left side camera group. Next, you'll be installing the controller and routing the harnesses. Secure the communication electronic control module to the bracket. Hand tighten the bolt. Install the terminals and tighten them. Then, install the power converter and the relay assembly to the bracket. Under the cab, remove the 2 plate assemblies. Now, remove the bolts, washers, and clips that secure the main platform harness. Install the power converter and relay assembly. Connect the harnesses to the locations seen in your instructions, and secure the harnesses along with the main platform harness. Now, route and secure the 3 harness assemblies along with the rear working light harness. The harnesses need to be routed to the cab platform upper frame. Install the plate assemblies here, and secure the 3 harnesses along with the chassis harness. Route them all through, and then remove 2 bolts on the upper frame. Continue routing the harnesses and connect them. Now, open the connector cover and remove the 2 correct seal plugs. Install the harness into the connector. Keep routing and securing all harnesses to their respective camera groups, and you're ready to use the system. The software will come flashed from your CAD dealer. To turn the system on or off, enter the Functions menu. The system is functional when the status indicator on the camera image is green. Always make sure the 3 camera lenses are free of dust and debris. For more information and support, contact your CAD dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instructions and safety procedures.